Hi guys, today we are going to discuss about the automated number plate text detection and extraction. So in this project we are going to do automatically detect the number on the number plate. So in this one it involves a computer vision techniques. So to detect and extract license plate information, we use the OpenCV library here. So OpenCV means open source computer vision library. So it provides a comprehensive set of tools for image processing and analysis. Why? Because this project mainly involves on the image data. So when we are going to upload a image of the any vehicle, so it has to detect the number from that vehicle. So for this one we are using the OpenCV library here. So this project begins with an image processing to enhance clarity and reduce the noise. So contour detection is then employed to identify potential regions of interest, focusing on the license plate. So following the contour identification, character segmentation isolates individual characters on the plate. So in this step, this is the crucial for the subsequent recognition. So OpenCV's capabilities enable efficient character segmentation through various algorithms. Once characters are isolated, optical character recognition is applied to interpret the alphanumeric content on this plate. So the successful of automatic number plate recognition using OpenCV mainly depends on factors like lighting conditions and plate variations and image quality. So tackling these challenges often involves employing the filters, threshold techniques and machine learning models for enhanced accuracy. So this technique this project mainly used for the diverse fields like traffic management, law enforcement and toll collection, like that. So this is the main purpose and main process of this project. So in the let's we see the backend part for this project. So for image processing data, or OpenCV means for OpenCV projects, we mainly use for this OpenCV for the image data. So in this image data, so firstly we have to read the data. So here we are going to read the data. So here we uploaded an image, so car image. So in this image it is having a number plate. So we have to extract this number plate data and we have to see the text, what is the text and alphanumeric values in that number plate. We have to see the data. So we have to firstly we have to process the image. So processing means we have to apply the some filters and edge detection and noise detection, like that. So after done all the process and we got the image like this. So after this one we have to take the alphanumeric values. What are the alphanumeric values in that image? So in that image these are the alphanumeric values. So only we are slicing this part of this image. So after getting this part, we have to show the numbers in a digital form. So that's why we write this code. So in this one we are after this code, total text, what is the text presented in the number plate, it will show like this. So this is the project. Thank you.